Hello everyone. Today we are diving into imitation learning with isaaclab, a way to teach robots by showing them how to act instead of hard coding every reward. Using expert demonstrations, we can train policies that mimic behavior in simulation and then deploy them to the real world. In isaaclab imitation learning, teleoperation collects demonstrations. Growth Mimic expands the dataset and the resulting data trains and refines a policy until the robot performs the task autonomously. So, the first step is teleoperation. isaaclab provides built-in interfaces to control robots either in SC2 space, that's XY velocity and U, or in SC3 space, which is a full 60 pose change. If you have already completed isaaclab configuration steps, you can continue. I will post the link of the video in description box. Navigate to isaaclab repository. Try these commands, experiment with the controls, and you will start to see how imitation learning comes to life. Activate conda environment. To play inverse kinematics control with the keyboard device, use this command. Press R to reset, K to toggle the gripper. If you want to move arm along x-axis, press W or S. If you want to move arm along y-axis, press A or D. And if you want to move arm along Z-axis, press Q or A based on your preferred direction. To rotate arm along x-axis, use Z or X respectively. To rotate arm along y-axis, use T or G. To rotate arm along Z-axis, use C or V. This teleoperation setup is more than just fun interaction. It's actually how we collect demonstration data for imitation learning. Higher the quality and smoother the demos, the easier it becomes for the policy to learn and replicate the behavior. We can continue in the next part. Thank you.